how much money do you want to make? If you can increase with a one-click upsell on Shopify checkout your average order volume by 30%, you just made 30% more money. Hello everybody, welcome to Search. This week we will talk about Shopify versus Shopify Plus and the different functionalities and pros and cons with both options. Now, Joe, we have a bunch of clients on Shopify. We have some clients on Shopify Plus, and we get this question a lot. There might be a client that is doing $1 million, $1.5, $2 million on Shopify Pro. And they say, well, should I move to Shopify Plus? Is it worth it? Why don't you tell us shortly about the differences between the functionalities of Shopify and Shopify Plus? And then we want to talk about some of the really, really important functionalities that one should have on Shopify.
Yeah. So the biggest thing that comes to mind is the ability to optimize the checkout, which we know from a conversion rate optimization standpoint is huge. Earlier, you were talking about other tax benefits that you have using systems like Avalara and things like that are far more complex on Shopify Plus rather than Shopify Pro.
Yes. So there are different functionalities, right? One of the top functionalities we've actually built for Shopify Plus, you have to be on Shopify Plus to do it because you have to edit the checkout, is e-signature functionality. We work with software companies. We work with appliance companies who sell warranties where they need to dynamically display an agreement on the checkout and dynamically fill that agreement with the product details, shipping address, customer's name and last name, and to be signed in the checkout. So that's one thing that you have to have to be able to make that functionality possible, which is Shopify Plus. You have, post-checkout upsells that you can do on Shopify Plus. However, you don't have one-click upsells because for the one-click upsell, you have to be able to alter the checkout. Yep. You have to be able to add custom fields to the checkout. So only Shopify Plus allows you access to the checkout SDK. The regular Shopify does not.
And so as a business owner, I'm doing $1 to $5 million, maybe 5 on the high end. At what point in time is it time for me to go over to Shopify Plus? When have I outgrown Shopify Pro?
I think that you're outgrowing Shopify Pro at about maybe $1.5 million. But the biggest issue with Shopify Plus is the price. It has a minimum $2,000 to $2,500 per month fee that you need to pay. And you're thinking, is it worth it just to be able to edit the checkout? But a lot of people don't know is the fact that Shopify Plus actually gives you better rates on the credit card, right? So you offset, let's say it's $2,000 a month. That's $24,000 a year. You can actually probably offset half of that because you're going to a lower rate if you keep your merchant account with Shopify, because they can give you better rates than Stripe, Braintree, Authorize.net, and a couple of other providers for the volume that you are doing. And that's what a lot of people don't understand.
Yeah, absolutely. I would assume that a lot of business owners are hesitant to move over to Shopify Plus, mainly because of that $2,000 a month, not knowing that Shopify Plus has better rates than, like you said, Stripe, Braintree, etc. Shopify Plus gives you a lot more freedom in terms of the type of functionality you can implement and what you can customize. And on Shopify Pro, you're more restrained.
So when it comes to, again, it's very important. I think Shopify Plus is big for B2B functionalities, and a lot of businesses don't also know that. You can manage multiple stores with Shopify Plus from one admin, right? You can integrate your inventory and your products and your pricing from one admin. You can have multi-ship to with Shopify Plus. If you're doing any kind of gifts, if you're doing any kind of B2B, you can put terms on your checkout. Otherwise you cannot. Like, what if I want to create a customer group and I want to give that customer group, let's call them VIP customer group, net 30 and net 60 terms. And then that in return is going to integrate with my ERP or with my NetSuite or with my Zoho or whatever, right? So I can talk about 20 other functionalities like this. Another one, for example, is the CBD industry just passed. Not the CBD industry, but there was a law recently that was passed where you cannot ship CBD to residential addresses. You have to ship to commercial addresses. So now you have to use a third-party API. And on the checkout, you have to validate if an address is residential or commercial. And if it's residential, you have to show a message saying, look, we cannot ship to it. You have to enter a commercial address. So there are tons of functionalities like this, and Shopify Plus makes it possible just being able to edit that checkout actually opens a bunch of functionalities, not to mention the fact that your website is going to run faster because Shopify Plus clients are on semi-dedicated servers.
So we've been talking a lot about how Shopify Plus is so much better than Shopify Pro. And as a business owner doing anywhere between 1.5 and above, it doesn't make sense for you to be on Shopify Pro at that moment in time. When does it make sense for a business to use Shopify Pro?
I think that if you don't have, if you're just selling a couple of products, no options, you don't have any B2B, you don't really need to optimize the checkout, you're in a niche industry, you don't need Shopify Plus. Yeah. You don't. You're only going to need it. And as your business volume grows, how much money do you want to make? If you can increase with a one-click upsell on Shopify checkout, your average order volume by 30%, you just made 30% more money. Which means if you were doing 1.5, now you're doing 2. That's a $500,000 difference. And if that functionality is available to you, that you can build it for $5,000, right? Another $24,000 for Shopify Plus. That's $29,000. If you ask me, I'll spend $29,000 to make $500,000 any day.
Absolutely.
Not to mention that I'm increasing the bottom line for the number of new client acquisitions that I'm getting, right? And this is the thing, a lot of people look at it as an expense. They say, oh, wow, man, we're doing great. I'm not going to spend $29,000 right now. That's why in the earlier session, Joe was saying, well, we need to be able to put an ROI, a return on your investment on any functionality in the future. That's why I think Shopify Plus makes sense.
Absolutely. So I think there you have it. If you're a Shopify business store owner and you're doing anywhere between $1 to $1.5 million, it's time to make the move to Shopify Plus.